What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Girls by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button that's in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll double punch kick you in the back of the f***ing face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song's in standard tuning, and as always I'm going to have the tab for this that I made myself in the description below, so if you need it, jump into the description once you get done with the video. The tab will be there for you. You're starting out with this chord here. It's going to be 0, 8, 10, 8, 9, 8. And then your second chord is going to be down here. It's going to be 0, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. Now the picking for the song is pretty simple. You're picking your A, D, G, B, G, and then I think there's a second guitar in there, but if you want to play that dissonant note, I throw my pinky on 10 on the A string, so A, D, G, B, G, 10 on A. If you don't want to do that, you really don't have to. Like I said, I think it's just the second guitar part in there. I think the one guitar is actually playing, it's going back to the D string, so A, D, G, B, G, D. So you can play that, or you can play, and then finally you move down here and you're just plucking the same strings, A, D, G, B, G, D. So you're going here. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.